channel. My name is Mega Brick Warrior. Today I'm gonna build a M1A1 155mm Howitzer belonging to the 333rd Field Artillery Battalion. Here's the data plate. It comes with one minifigure and 136 Lego and Brickmania elements. Let's open and take a look inside. Here's the minifigure. Okay, one bag of pieces, another pack of pieces. So this is a Brickmania smaller set, and they come in the case in the plastic cases like this. And here's the instruction booklet, and also has a data plate on the back. And the instruction book you open it like this, and this is how it's a look inside. So I will sort out the pieces and do the build. So here's the completed M1A1 155mm Howitzer. I'll let it go on once and show you what the rest of it is. So here's the complete cannon, and here's the minifigure, part of the 333rd Cannon Battalion. The cannon does elevates and depresses, and as you look at the side, it does hook up like this. So it could have a tow truck. The biggest one was putting the wheels together. It uses two pieces of wheels. It uses a smaller rim for the wheels, but uses big tires and has the place together. So it's two pieces in here by itself. And you does use some of the technique elements like the pin connectors right there to make the cannon elevate or depresses. And then if you go like this, you can have a tow with the truck. If you have any of those Brickmania truck sets, you could tow with that for the battle. And then here's the minifig right there. It comes with the M1 pot hat, and it's 360-degree printed with the dark green legs with the brown boots. I will leave you this one. So this is a short video. I would like to build, just had trouble with the wheels, so that's fine, and then it's probably pretty solid. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and if you have any suggestions, leave a comment below, and have a nice day.